Hello, we are back to Barlet Maxime Tech. Today I am going to show you about Dreamweaver, Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver CS3 does cost $1,200, and no, hell no, I did not buy it. No, our school bought it for a very low price, and I'm lucky enough to have it on my computer. But I'm not going to buy any programs above at least $600. No, even lower. I won't buy a program above $100 unless I really need it. Like I bought Xcode, which is a program that skills Xcode up. I might get a tutorial on Xcode with Maxime, because Maxime got an iMac. I got Windows Sunnyvale. He got an iMac. So here are some of my JavaScript and Dreamweaver. I mean, I might buy it for literally $1,200 because it's worth $1,200, and yes, it is that good. And you might be wondering right now, what in the world is this program? And it's a great program. It's opening up CS3, pretty damn new program, amazing skills. Even though CS6 just recently came out, I'm still using CS3 because our school did not make the contract for yesterday. So here it is. It can code all of these. First of all, HTML, Cold Fusion, PHP, ASP, JavaScript, EVScript, XSTL, CSS, JavaScript, and XML, and more, of course. Yeah. So basically, HTML is something that publishes stuff to on World Wide Web. HTML is coding a website and coding any sort of stuff that are on the World Wide Web. Cold Fusion, PHP, and ASP, XSD. I can't really tell you about these. I mean, it'll take me a long time to explain them. I'll just tell you CSS. JavaScript is coding on a program that is on your. It's a file that is not on. It's an application format of writing it, so CSS and XML. And so let's say I want to code what you want to code. Let's say I'll code HTML. Probably I'm the best at that. Then I click on HTML, and it gave me the whole format. This is the format of HTML. So, head. The head is the code that appears up first. So let's go on a website. Like, what's a website we should go on? Let's say we go on YouTube. No, that's two. Let's go on Quizlet. Just on Quizlet because it's a famous website and it's a great example. Probably the best. Not Google because it doesn't have. Quizlet would be probably the best example. It's loading. Give me a second. Not the fastest internet around here. So this Quizlet, it's, as you see, this is right in here. This is the title. This is what you want to figure out. What you want here. So the head. And the head, you can just write anything. And then this is basically the whole format, the HTML code, everything. And you can code this without a program that costs this much, but it will make life so much easier if you just buy this. I mean, there's so many stuff you can just do with this that there's no way you can do without it. It'll help you. It looks really complicated now, but actually it's so easy. So simple. Very simple. It's one of the simplest programs. And then the head is this maybe? Systems on low memory. Oh yeah, it happens up. And then try it in 60 seconds. That's the meta HTTP. And we got the body. It's not body, it's body. The body is the map, so that they code that with JavaScript. And yeah, that's pretty more complicated. And yeah, that's basically our video for today. Hope you guys get used to Adobe Dreamweaver, an amazing program to code your websites with. If you got it on your computer already, just go on some other tutorial. It didn't tell you a lot, just told you about what the program really is. And it's not, many people think this is for hacking. This is definitely not for hacking. The only way to hack with this, if you create a JavaScript or CSS file on your administrator program, for an administrator, and you go on it, it's made for hacking, but that would be too complicated. You should just do that with something else, so you shouldn't just do that. So, Quizlet, we'll learn everything, and also tech. So, bye! See you tomorrow, or whenever.